Hello? What? The server got crashed again? And the database is also down? Oh God knows what will I do with my business. It's getting in loss and these servers are getting crashed every now and then. My database is not also going well. What will I do? Do you have a solution for it? Well, exactly. That's why I'm making this video, to make you all aware if you face similar kind of situation or might not be or you don't want to be in such kind of situation. So watch this video till the end. So I want you all to imagine a database that never goes down even if the server gets crashed. Sounds unreal, right? Well, but that's exactly where CockroachDB, which is a thing of database, is designed to do. So what exactly it is, let me give you an introduction about everything. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rohan and you're watching Rohan Develops. So in today's video we are going to understand what exactly is CockroachDB in the simplest way possible. So we are going to talk about what it is, why it exists, and why companies are starting to use it instead of traditional databases. Like traditional databases we all know, like MySQL or PostgreSQL. So let me talk about the problems with the traditional databases. Let's start with the simplest problem. Okay, so the most traditional databases, as I said, like MySQL or PostgreSQL, run on a single main server. And now imagine this, even if the server like there is the single server, so if that server is getting crashed, your entire application just goes down. Websites will stop working, payments will start failing, consistency will just go on holidays, inconsistency will rise up, and data will become unavailable. And that's the problem we are fixing today. So to fix this, companies are using replicas and backups, but that adds complexity and still isn't perfect. Let me tell you that these kind of things like replicas and backups are working, but they are not exactly that perfect or giving companies that profit or that amount of less complexity or less expenses. It's not valuable enough. So hence the big question is, can we build a database that never fails? Well, that's exactly what I'm trying to say about CockroachDB. So what exactly is CockroachDB? CockroachDB is a distributed SQL or distributed SQL database. That means instead of storing data at one single place, it spreads your data across multiple servers. Like for example, instead of one single server, there is some kind of example, server 1, server 2, server 3, and your data is spread across all this. And here's the powerful part of it. Even if one server goes down, suppose server 2 is getting crashed, we have server 1 and 3 still alive, and your database keeps running, that too without interruption. And hence this kind of thing or distributed SQL can be a future. Well, it's called CockroachDB. If you are thinking that, okay, this distributed thing I understood about SQL, but why exactly it is named as cockroach or cockroaches? So it's called CockroachDB because just like a cockroach, it is designed to survive anything. Like cockroaches are famous to survive harsh full situation. Like if you don't remove every single leg of it or just crushed it, or some lizard or some animal or something a bird or something eats it up completely, it will not die. And that's exactly why the company CockroachDB has named their database company as CockroachDB. So hence it is designed to survive anything. That means, yeah, you are getting it right. So let me tell you how exactly it works. Let's understand this in the simplest way possible. So imagine you have 3 servers. CockroachDB automatically creates the copies of your data and stores them across all the servers. Now if one server fails, their system instantly switches to another one, just like the distributed system concept. And what are the benefits of it? No downtime, no time loss, and everything just continues smoothly. And why will not a company want such kind of thing in their company? So what's the best part about it? You don't have to manually just manage all these things. CockroachDB handles it automatically. That's exactly right. Like you don't have to click a button or do anything. Everything is automatically done by the CockroachDB team and their servers itself. So what are the key features of it? Just get a quick overview of the features, which is essential if you don't believe me. So let's quickly go through the main features only, okay? You can just go on browser and search for more in-depth detail about it, or I will be making in the future. So the main features are, first, distributed architecture. What exactly it is? Data is spread across multiple machines. Second is the fault tolerance. Even if server crash, your system just stays alive. Third is the strong consistency, ACID properties. ACID, ACID properties. If you are a student of distributed system or have an interest in around cloud computing, you must be familiar with all these terms like the fault tolerance, distributed architecture, or this consistency about things, strong consistency, what exactly it means, and the ACID properties. It's all linked up. So your data always is always accurate and reliable. And the fourth is the auto scaling feature, which is the best part of it. You can easily add more servers as your app grows. That's add the scalability into it. What exactly is the real life analogy? As you know that I always provide some real life example for better understanding. So real life analogy is, think of CockroachDB like Google Docs. What exactly, how better you know Google Docs? You have just spent entire your life or your childhood on this Google Docs, I would say. Even if one server fails in the Google Docs, your document doesn't disappear because copies exist in multiple places, right? So that's exactly CockroachDB protects your data. And yeah, so let's do some a quick comparison with other databases also, like it's necessary. So let's compare it quickly. What's the downtime of it? So MySQL is single server based, easier but can fail. Okay. MongoDB, no SQL database. It's flexible but not always strongly consistent. CockroachDB, it's about distributed SQL, so it combines reliability plus scalability. So you get the best of both worlds. Okay. And we can talk about the use cases also. How we can forget about the use case unless you are not using it. So where is CockroachDB used exactly? So we can use it in the banking and fintech apps, global applications, e-commerce platforms, systems that require zero downtime, and basically anywhere reliability is crucial. And a simple example we can take of the SQL query in the CockroachDB is simple as we write the normal SQL, like create table users, and in the brackets we can write ID int primary key, comma, and name string. It looks just like a normal SQL, right? If you are familiar with SQL or SQL, you are getting it. But behind the scenes, it's running on a distributed system. That's the main point. It's exactly like SQL, but the backend system is very much amazing. So what's the conclusion about it? So to sum it up, CockroachDB is a database that is highly reliable, scalable, and built for modern applications. And if you're into backend or system design, this is definitely you should something learn for it. For real, I am telling you guys. So what will be the call to action? And just stay tuned till the last of how exactly, or go in depth about research yourself about CockroachDB and comment it down if you like this video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow developers or mates. And let me know in the comment section that should I make a hands-on tutorial on CockroachDB also. If you like it, I can definitely go for it, and it will be great experience for me to make you all understand about CockroachDB, because I have also not done any experiments or practical thing. I have just gained the knowledge about CockroachDB, and I thought let's make you all aware. So that's all from my side. This is Rohan Ramprasad. If you like my video or such kind of tech related channels or case study videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next video with some power packed sessions. So this is Rohan Ramprasad signing off. See you next time. Hello? Oh, the server is not getting crashed. Okay, distributed system, you're using CockroachDB. That's nice. Well, my business is going to be skyrocket.